Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Kawasaki NINJA 300 with ABS. This bike has 2,200 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great entry-level super sport. Comes with the ABS brakes. It's in great condition, has one little minor scuff on the exhaust where he rubbed against a little column there, but the bike hasn't been down, super clean. It's been gone through by our service department and an oil change, a safety check, and given a clean bill of health, and it's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports, NINJA 300 ABS. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com. At any given time, we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.